Back on November 28th, DeepSeek dropped Math-V2. It is open source, and frankly, it is in a league of its own. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to run it with API. On basic benchmarks, it hits 99% success, leaving models like GPT-5 behind. And on advanced IMO proofs, almost everyone else crashes, except for DeepSeek and Gemini DeepThink. This chart is even crazier. In the 2024 Putnam competition, the median student score is usually close to 0 because it's so brutally hard. The top human contestant this year scored a 90. DeepSeek Math-V2 scored a near-perfect 118 out of 120. Now, technically, DeepSeek Math-V2 is open. You can go to Hugging Face right now and download the weights. But here is the real bottleneck. This is a massive mixture of experts beast with 685 billion parameters. To actually run this thing at full precision, you would need a cluster of at least 12 H200 GPUs. So unless you have a corporate data center in your garage, running this locally is impossible for most of us. Since this model is still fresh, you can't just rent it on the usual platforms. Places like Hugging Face or OpenRouter don't have a simple API endpoint for it yet. Even if you check the official DeepSeek API, you will currently only find their latest v3.2 model. And don't confuse the two. v3.2 model is a completely different from the specialized Math-V2. Around December 2nd, I was digging through some forums and stumbled upon a smaller platform called Canopy Wave. Surprisingly, they have already hosted a live API specifically for DeepSeek Math-V2. I gave it a try, and they offer about $20 in free credits to start. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. Just to be clear, this is not a sponsored ad. It is the only working method I found to run this model. So let's jump in. I'll show you how to grab an API key and write a Python script to test it out. First, head over to the site. I recommend just signing in with GitHub. In the dashboard, you should concede $20 credit in your account. And click on the AI models. Scroll down a bit, and you will see DeepSeek Math-V2. Shows the model details and pricing. Don't worry about the cost. $20 will last us a long time for experiments. Then, go to the Model API Key section on the left. Hit the button to create a new key and copy it. We are going to need this for our script in just a second. Now, let's switch over to PyCharm. I use ChatGPT generate this script for me. You can copy my code from the link in the description or just generate your own. There are two details you need to watch out for. First, replace with your API key. Second, you must set the stream parameter to true. The model thinks for a long time. Without streaming, the connection will likely error out. For the prompt, the model expects the math problem in LaTeX format. I just used ChatGPT to format this medium difficulty integral for me. Before we run it, let's quickly look at the test problem. It is a standard integral question from advanced calculus. Let's hit run. It took nearly 10 minutes to generate the full chain of thought. So I've sped this clip up by 20 times. And finally, we get the result. I simplified the output into this slide here. You can see. Despite the long wait, the answer is completely correct. This was just a warm-up. In the next episode, we are going to throw real IMO competition problems at it and analyze why Math-V2 can beat so many others' top models. If this video helped you, please subscribe me. See you in the next one.